Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the 4-bit binary to BCD converter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic 4-bit binary to BCD converter. Binary means zeros and ones having 4-bit. BCD means binary coded decimal. That is also 4 digit. Each and every decimal number is represented by the 4 digits, that is called a BCD converter. That is called BCD, binary coded decimal, right? So the binary number 4-bit binary is now we are going to convert into BCD, right? So the first we will see the input. Input code is nothing but binary code. B0, B1, B2, B3. B0 is the LSB, B3 is the MSB. Now the output code is nothing but BCD code, binary coded decimal. D0, D1, D2, D3, the 4 digits. D0 is the LSB. We have one more digit D4. Why we have the D4? From 0 to 9 we have single digit. 0 to 9 can be represented in a 4 digit BCD number. From 10 onwards, 1 0 means here 2 digits are there. 0 is converted into BCD and 1 is also converted into another BCD. That is 0 represented by 4 digits, 1 represented by another 4 digits. So that is represented by this D4. That is from 0 to 9, D4 is 0. There is only 1 digit. From 10 onwards, in order to indicate 2 digits, from 10 onwards D4 will be 1. Right? So that 1 indicates there are 2 digits are available. Right? So this is a binary BCD output D0, D1, D2, D3. D4 indicates whether it is a single digit or double digit. Right? So because of 4 digit there are 16 combinations available. 2 to the power 4, 16 combination. In that 0 to 9 having only 1 digit, so the D4 will be 0. From 10 onwards, from 10 to 15 having 2 digits. In that D4 is represented by 1. Right? Now we will see the truth table for the relating binary and BCD. Binary is the input and BCD is the output, right? So the binary code that is represented by the name B3, B2, B1, B0. This is the equivalent decimal number. This is BCD code D0, D1, D2, D3. The D4 indicates how many digits are available. So there are 16 combinations available 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 like that. So it is simply it is represented the first 4 digit it is 0, 0 from 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we need to repeat 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 1 4 times. Again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then 1 0 like that we can repeat. So from 0 to 9 it is D4 is value is 0. So the BCD also almost similar, same thing only 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, right? So 1 2 3 4 first to 4 the D3 and D4 will be 0. Here we can repeat 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Thereby D3 and D2 is 0 1 for next 4 times. Again we have to repeat 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Like that we can repeat. Then 1 0 for this 8 and 9. Again 0 0 0 1. For all the cases D4 is 0. But from 10 onwards we have 2 digits are available. There are 2 digits available. See this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. For this we have 2 digits available, so it is represented by 1, right? So the 10 is given as 1 0 1 0, that is 8 4 2 1. 8 4 2 1. 8 and 2 is 1, so that 8 plus 2 10. Here 1 0 1 1. 8 4 2 1. So 8 plus 2 plus 1 11. Similarly 8 4. 8 plus 4 12. 8 4 1 13. So that is represented by the weightage. By the weightage of this number is given as a weightage 8 4 2 1. 8 4 2 1, right? So for see this last one, all are 1 is there. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 14, 14 plus 1 15. So this is normal binary code. But in the BCD, binary coded decimal, how we will represent? 1 is represented by 4 digit, 0 is also represented by another 4 digit. That is called BCD. Every digit is represented by 4 digits. Here not like that. Here directly by using the weightage we can write it, right? In order to send the data for transmitting the data, storing the data, representing the data, we are using BCD. That is, each digit we need 4 locations. For example, 9 means we need 4 location. 10 means for 1 we need 4 location, for 0 we need 4 location. So in order to represent, and also while transmitting, if we have four wires, we can easily transmit. First we can transmit 0, then we can transmit 1, but here is not possible, right? So that we are using the BCD. That is the advantage of BCD. Storing the data, representing the data, transmitting the data, we are using BCD. See, for all this the digit D4 is 1. Now again the 0 is represented 0001, 1 is represented 0001, 2 is represented 0010. So here also we are using 8421 only, but it will go only up to 9, right? See this 15, this 1 is represented here, only we need to represent 5. See this, these two are 1, 4 plus 1 5, here only 4, here 2 plus 1 3, here only 2, right? So that is the advantage of BCD. So the binary means by using the weightage we can write like this as it is. But in BCD, every digit is represented by 4 locations, 4 digits. For example, up to 9, 4 digit. 10 onwards, 2 digits are there. So 1 is represented separately, this 0 is represented separately, right? So 1 require 4 location, this 0 require 4 location. Why we are using like this 4? It is represented by 4 location means by storing the data we need each and every decimal we need 4 location. We need 4 wire to transmit the data. We need 4 wire to receive the data. So it will be standardized, right? We are storing, sending the data, receiving the data. It will be very useful if we are represented by BCD. But here not like that. It is given by different value. Now we have the 5 terms are available: D0, D1, D2, D3 and D4. The values are available 1, 0 like that. For this we need to get the Boolean function in order to implement with logic gates, so that binary will be converted into BCD. By using the logic gates we can convert from binary to BCD. So in order to get the Boolean function, this truth table can be, from the truth table we can get the Boolean function using the Karnaugh map. So that we will get the, in Karnaugh map we will get the simplified expression, right? So now we will go to the Karnaugh map to get the simplified Boolean function for these 5 terms: D0, D1, D2, D3 and D4. Now we will go to the Karnaugh map. First we will see the start from D0, right? So this is the 4 variable K map. What is the input? Input is nothing but binary code B3, B2, B1 and B0. This is a binary code. From that we are going to get the BCD code. So B3 and B2 is represented vertically, B1 and B0 were represented horizontally. B3, B2 having 2 variables, so 4 combinations are available: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, B1, B0, 2 variables, 4 combinations are available: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right. So this is the inputs. So from the tabular column, these ones are marked. From the truth table what we discussed earlier, there are 8 ones are available. These 8 ones are marked here. So while going the grouping, we can group these 8 ones, right? All 8 ones are grouped together. In order to get the function, we have to refer the corresponding row: first row, second row, fourth row, third row and fourth row. Similarly, second column and third column. So while referring first row, second row, third and fourth row, the 0, 0 cancelled by 1, 1. 0, 1 cancelled by 1, 0. So all are got cancelled. Only we have to refer the second and third column. So 0, 1, 1, 1. So the first 0 and the first 1 got cancelled because 0 and 1 is cancelled. This second one is available: 0, 1, 1, 1. This one is available commonly. What is that? This one is nothing but B naught. So that D naught value is B naught, right? So this is the input binary code. This is the output BCD code. D naught we can get from the B naught value, right? So we need to implement the logic gates. Using logic gate we can implement this function. Then we'll go to the D1. D1 having 6 ones are available in the truth table. From the truth table these 6 ones are marked together. These 2 ones are grouped together, then these 4 ones are grouped together. So while grouping these 2 ones, we have to refer the corresponding third row. What is available in third row? 1 1. 1 1 means B3 B2, B3 B2. We have to refer first column and second column. 0 0 0 1. Right. So this second 0 and second 1 got cancelled. This 0 is available commonly. First 0 is available in commonly. First 0 means B1. Right. 0, because of 0 it is B1 dash. So it is B3 B2 B1 dash. Now we'll refer these 4 zeros. Corresponding first row and second row we have to refer. What is available here? 0 0 0 1. Right. So the first 0 available commonly, that is nothing but B3. B3 bar because of 0. This second 0 and 1 got cancelled. This 0 and 1 got cancelled. Similarly, you have to refer the third column and fourth column. 1 1 1 0. This 1 is available commonly, the first one. First one is nothing but B1. Right. B3 dash B1. The second 1 and 0 got cancelled. So the expression for D1 is B3 B2 B1 dash plus B3 dash into B1. Similarly, we will go to D2. Next, we will go to the value D2. For D2, there are again 6 ones are available. These 4 ones are grouped together. These 4 ones are grouped together. So while grouping these 4 ones, we have to refer the corresponding second row. 0 1. 0 1 means B3 dash B2. 0 means B3 B3 dash. So B3 dash B2. So the corresponding columns, all 4 columns are available, so the got cancelled. 0 0 cancelled by 1 1, 0 1 cancelled by 1 0. Now we have to refer these 4 ones, the corresponding second row and third row. In second and third row, this 1 is available commonly. This 0 and 1 is cancelled. This one, what is this one? Second one means B2. Similarly, third column and fourth column, this first one is available commonly. What is first one? B1. Right. So B2 into B1. The second 0 and 0 is here 1 and here 0 is available. So the got cancelled. 1 and 0 got cancelled. So that the D2 value is B3 dash B2 plus B2 B1. Similarly, we will go to the D3. So D3 having only 2 ones are available. So the what is available corresponding row 1 0. 1 means B3. 0 means B2 dash. B3 B2 dash. What is available in the column? 0 0 0 1. First 0 available in both the column. First 0 means B1 dash. Second is 0, here 1. So got cancelled. So that here it is available B3 B2 dash B1. The expression for D3 is B3 B2 dash B1. Now we have one more term, D4 is available. D4. So D4 also having 4 ones are available. So these 4 ones are combined together, grouped together. These 4 ones are grouped together. So while grouping these 4, we have to refer the corresponding third column, third row. Third row is 1 1. 1 1 means B3 B2, B3 B2. The corresponding columns are got cancelled. So while grouping these 4 ones, we have to refer third row and fourth row. So this first one is available commonly. First one means B3. Second 1 and 0 is there, got cancelled. Similarly, the third column and fourth column. The first one is available. 1 is available commonly. 1 means B1. Right? B3 into B1. The second one here 0 available. So this 1 and 0 got cancelled. So the D4 expression for D4 is B3 B2 plus B3 into B1. Now we got the expression for all 5 D4, D3, D2, D1 and D0, that is binary coded decimal BCD code. Now these Boolean functions should be implemented with the logic gates. Now we will go to the logic gate. So this is the logic gate available. First we will see the inputs. What are the inputs are available? This is the binary codes input. This is the BCD output. So binary code what we have? B3, B2, B1 and B0. From B3 the tapping is taken and is connected to NOT gate. So that we got B3 dash. Similarly, B2, one more NOT gate. So we got B2 dash. B1, one more NOT gate is connected, B1 dash. B3 is not needed, B3 dash is not needed, right. So we have B3, B2, B1 and B0. By using NOT gate, we have B3 dash, B2 dash and B1 dash, right. So first BCD code D0. D0 is nothing but B0. From the Karnaugh map, we simplified the expression D0 equal to B0. So from B0, we can get the BCD output of D0. Then D1, what is the value of D1? Is nothing but the B3, B2, B1 dash plus B3 dash into B1. We have to add these two terms. This addition is done by this OR gate. How to get B3, B2, B1? By using the AND gate. Here B3 is connected, B3, B2 and B1 dash is connected. These three terms are connected, so it will multiply. Similarly, here B3 dash is connected and B1 is connected. So we got these two terms using this AND gate. These two terms are added by this OR gate. So that we got the value of D1. That is a binary coded decimal, the second digit D1. Now we'll go to D2 and D3. D2 and D3. So the D2 is nothing but B3 dash B2 plus B2 into B1, right. So these two are added by this OR gate. How to get B3 dash and B2? By the AND gate. This B3 dash and B2 is connected, so we got this value. Similarly, here B1 and B2 is connected, so we got this value. These two are added by this AND gate. Then D3 is only one term is there, B3, B2 dash, B1 dash, right. So by using the AND gate, B3 is connected, B2 dash is connected and B1 dash is connected. All three are multiplied. So we got D3 value, right. So we got the BCD output D0, D1, D2 and D3. We have one more term, D4 is available in order to indicate whether how many digits are there, MSB, right. So that is nothing but B3, B2 plus B3, B1. These two terms are added by this OR gate. How to get B3, B2? By using one AND gate. Here B3 and B2 is connected, so we are getting B3, B2. Here B3 and B1 is connected, so we are getting B3 into B1. These two are added by this OR gate. So finally we got D4, this MSB, right. So D0, D1, D2, D3 as a output of the binary coded decimal BCD, and also we got the MSB D4 also. So in this video, we discuss about how to convert binary to BCD. BCD means binary coded decimal. Each decimal is represented by 4 digits. From 0 to 9 is a no problem, we having only one digit. From 10 to 15, 2 digits are there, so that we have one more term called D4. So the D4 will be 1 for the value 10 to 15. Then we framed the truth table. From the truth table, by using the K map, we got the simplified Boolean expression. That Boolean expression is implemented with the logic gates, so that we can get the binary code to BCD code. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.